Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to your class. Today we have communication and cultural awareness, and this is on C, page 24. I think this is page number 24. Yes, okay, page number 24. And today we have communication and cultural awareness, and today we're going to read some information about Bollywood. You know what Bollywood is? It's like a combination of, ball and wood. I don't know. Where we're going to find out this information and this reading. But first of all, we have to read about some culture. Let's talk about India. India has 22 official languages, including English, because English is common to most parts of the country. Why? Because India was under the British rule for a period of time. However, many other languages are spoken here or there. Among the most popular are Hindi, yes, Hindi, and the next is Gujarati, Tamil, and Urdu. Actually, the most ancient language is the Tamil. Tamil, okay, the ancient language. Okay, let's talk about Bollywood. Bollywood, also known as Hindi cinema, is the cinema in India. Okay, is a Hindi cinema, or Bombay cinema is the Indian Hindi language film industry. The name comes from a combination of the words Bombay and Hollywood. So these two words are mixed together and they form the word Bollywood. Bombay and Hollywood make Bollywood. Bollywood. Surprisingly, Indian cinema is the world's largest film industry. Actually, it's bigger than Hollywood. They produce almost 2,000 films every year. You know how many films does Hollywood produce? Around 500. And Bollywood, 2,000. So Bollywood is, a huge industry. Okay, Bollywood makes up 43% of this. Although most of the films are in Hindi, this is the language Hindi, some modern day Bollywood movies are known in English, like a combination of Hindi and English. It's a new language, English. Okay, don't forget to underline these important ideas. We need these important ideas. So underline this idea. Among most popular are Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, and Urdu. The most important idea. Another one, the name comes from a combination of the words Bombay and Hollywood. Underline it. Indian cinema is the world's largest film industry. They produce almost 2,000 films every year. Underline it. Underline Hindi and English, which is a combination of Hindi and English. Okay, let's continue. Indian film really began to gain popularity during the late 1940s, after India gained its independence from Britain. Many films started being produced in Hindi. These films belong to many different genres, including drama, action, comedy, and musicals. Actually, most of the Hindi movies are musical, so they always, dance with beautiful dancing. They like to dance like this. It's beautiful. For me, it's beautiful. Okay, and the term Bollywood was born in the 1970s. Its signature type of the film was masala, This is the new, the word for recognizing this type of movies, masala, which combine various genres like action, comedy, drama, romance, and musical. Bollywood is strongly linked to the Indian identity, and it has become the way in which Indians can tell the story to the world. Okay, it's amazing. I like Indian movies. I like it because of the dancing. Okay, and finally, you have to answer these questions. Let's see. And the first one, where did the name Bollywood come from? Remember, where does the name come from? The name comes from a combination of the words Bombay and Hollywood. This is the answer for number one. Is the question number one. Question number two. Which film industry is bigger, Bollywood or Hollywood? Remember in the story, what is the bigger industry? It's Bollywood. Yes, because Indian cinema is the world's largest film industry. Bollywood is bigger than Hollywood because they produce almost 2,000 films every year. Okay, that's a number two. Number three, what language are most Bollywood films in? What is the language of these Indian movies? So the language are Hindi, Hindi, or maybe English. What is English? It's a mix or a combination of Hindi and English. Okay. And the next one is the number four. What is masala? What is masala? Masala, masala it's the combination of the term is related to movies. It's a combination of genres like action, comedy, drama, romance, and musical. This is what masala is. Masala is a combination of these genres. Okay, and the last one is, have you ever seen a Bollywood movie? Would you like to? Yes, I like Bollywood movies. I like Indian movies. My favorite Indian movie is a Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. It's a beautiful movie. It's a beautiful, extremely beautiful movie. Indian movie. Okay, guys, this is all. Oh my God, sorry. This is going to be the homework number 5. This is the homework number 5, where you have to copy the whole information. And remember, you have to do the homework number 5 because you have to copy the whole information about Bollywood. This is the topic, Bollywood. And then answer the question below. How many questions? 3. 3 questions. Okay, let's write. So, this is the this is the homework number 5. This is the homework 5. Okay, so remember, you have to copy the whole reading about Bollywood. Copy everything, everything, everything. Yes, including this part. This part, copy, copy, copy in your reading. And finally, you have to answer number 1, number 2, and number 3. 3 questions. Only 3 questions. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye. See you next week.